Hi, this video I'm going to show you how to replace your tray motor. First you have to take out the screws from here and 3 screws from here. Once you do that, take the cap off and the screws and just lift it. And this is the motor that you're going to replace. And you're going to unscrew this and this. This is the PC board. The motor are connected over here, the PC board, so you have to open the PC board, take it out, and you're going to unscrew these 4 screws and put the new one. Once you unscrew this one, vice versa, put back all the screw all back in and you're ready to go. Thank you.